Another day, another helpful video. What's up guys? Welcome back to How to Do Phones. For today's video, I will show you how you can put home button on iPhone. Before we start, make sure to click subscribe and hit the notification button to see our newest video. First, go to settings, look for accessibility, look for touch, and in here you can see the assistive touch. Enable it and you can now use the home button. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. See you on our next video!